to show you my balancing bird. First, I need to fix the camera so you can see my balancing bird. And Becca is over here doing her stretches out. So she's not going to be in it because she can't do the balancing bird like really long. It's really long, so yeah. You have to balance on your foot really long. So let's get on to it. Hello, it's the quiet bouncing bird. She stays really still like a bird. Then she puts her wings out, stands up and flap, 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 flap around. Flap, flap, flap. She said stop. Flap, flap, flap. She said stop. The bird said stop. Flap, flap, flap. The bird said stop. Flap, flap, flap. The bird said stop. Now that's the bouncing bird. Now that's the bouncing bird. Da-na-na-na-na-na. This is the quiet bouncing bird. Always still and quiet. She puts her wings down and stares, and she said, flap, 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 flap. Flap, 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 flap. The bird said stop. Then she said, flap, 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 flap. Flap, 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 flap. The bird says stop, so let's do that. Flap, 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 flap. Flap, 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 flap. And flap. She said stop. That's the quiet balancing bird. This is the quiet bouncing bird. She's always quiet as hell. And she said flap, 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 flap. Then she said stop, flap, 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 flap. Then she said stop, flap, 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 flap. Then she said stop, flap, 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 flap. She said stop and quiet down. And that is the balancing bird, you guys. I hope you follow it because that's how you do the balancing bird, and I made it up. So bye. But wait, I hope we get this video to 1,000 likes. Hit that bell button, subscribe, and give us a big huge thumbs up. Bye.